Hi friends, Crafty Queen Bee, come decorate with me. Thanks for joining me today, friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to decorate a Halloween tree. I'm going to be using some of the decorations that I made in the last video, and along with that, I'll be using some finds from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. Okay friends, I started off with a 6-foot slender tree. It was on sale at Michael's and it was pre-lit with clear lights. And when I put it all together and I plugged it in, I decided it needed some more lights. So I bought these candy corn lights last year after Halloween, and I ended up using 2 boxes of it, and I think it just gives it a really nice glow. First thing I did was I put it together, and then I stuck the witch legs on there because it is a witchy tree after all. And I didn't want to show you that on camera because it would not be pretty how I got down and did that. But you just stick the legs underneath the tree. What I'm using as a tree skirt is something I picked up at a garage sale. Actually, it is a mantle cover, but anything you have like black gauze, black material, you can be as creative as you want with your tree. That just worked for me at the last minute. All right, the first thing that I did is I got a roll of this deco mesh, and there's no right or wrong way to work with it, I don't think. I just started off at this end of the tree, and I'm only doing 2 rolls because I only bought 1 roll. I didn't know what I was gonna use it on, I just kinda liked it. And this stuff sticks to everything. Just be careful with your clothes, it'll snag it. That's why I didn't remove all of it. But there's no right or wrong way to do it. You just stick it in there, just twirl it, and it just gives a nice touch to your tree. And it stays in place, believe it or not. All right, first thing I did was I started off with the witch hat. And this is the witch hat from Dollar Tree, including the little spider. I did put a plastic bag in it to keep it sturdy up on top. All right, then my next ornament is a Dollar Tree find as well. It's my boo. Oh, witchy Halloween trees need a boo. This actually came from Michael's a long time ago. I bought them after Halloween. I didn't know what I was going to do with them, but came in handy this year for my tree. All right. Here's the welcome that I took apart in the last video. Spooky tree needs to have a welcome sign on it. Stick that on there. Welcome my pretties. Well, let's see. Nope, I think I like it better here. And I don't like that little, since I didn't spray paint my stick, I'm just gonna stick an eyeball in there, cover that up. All right, next I'm gonna use the hat. Put it right there. You can have more than 1 witch hat. It's a witch tree after all, a spooky one. Let's see, I'm going to use the ghost that I made in the last video. I'll let it pop out. And let's see, I need some eyeballs. All right, let's stick some eyeballs in here. How about we stick them back here? Okay, now I think it needs this cute guy. He needs to go up here. He is darn. Remember I showed you in the last video how easy it was to decorate these ball ornaments. Now I'm going to use maybe this chevron pumpkin right there, and about another ghost on this side. Another pumpkin right there. All right, time to use this guy. I think I'm gonna put him oh, too cute already. Every witch tree needs a broom. Let's see, make room for our broom. There you go. Let's see. Now I'm gonna put a skeleton down here. I'm gonna put him I'm gonna use this right here. And sometimes, folks, you just have to work with these things to get them to stay. There you go. And how about a big hand to fill this gap up right here? And I think that hand needs one of my dough ornaments. How about a mixed drink right there? I actually made this ornament, and I will be showing you in a future video how to make my dough ornaments and make them into ornaments for Christmas. It's a little time consuming, but they're great. How about another ghost right here? All right. I'm forgetting about my cute guys. I'm just gonna stick this one right here and hope it stays. There we go. Which way to the wine? Right here, my dear. I just thought this little sign was too cute. Needed to tie into the theme here. All right. How about we put this guy right here? And I just love the way these turned out. Cute. Alrighty, you, my friend, need to go. Get you right here. Spider, just lay it down right there. Ah! Okay, now, how about some crazy hands here, skeleton hands? We need one coming out right there, and I think I'm getting it too heavy on this side because I'm standing on this side. But how about another hand? And sometimes you just have to find a place that'll hold it up. like right there. Okay, let's see. I think, friends, garage sales are great. I picked these up at the garage sale before I was moving, and they were 50 cents a piece, and they were from Pier 1. I think I struck gold. Why is it that nothing wants to work out when you're filming? Come on. I love to go to garage sales. My husband hates it, but sometimes he gives in and he lets me go. My daughter-in-law and I, we can make a day of it. Of course, I usually run out of money after the first or second one. But you know, people are so nice at garage sales most of the time. If you see an item that you really, really want and you're down to your last $5 and it's 12 noon, all you have to do is say, listen, it is 12 noon. This item hasn't sold yet for 20 bucks. I will give you $5 for it because ain't nobody gonna buy it after 12. And sometimes they're nice enough and they'll give it to you for $5. So try it. Of course, I did have a man tell me one time, lady, get out of town. How rude. Oh. Where there's a will, there's a way, though. Here we go. See how cute this is looking? How about a cupcake? Every tree needs a cupcake. Oh, this is not going to stay. Maybe it's time to start putting some in the bag. Oh, and these were salad forks, but I thought they would look cute on the tree, and I think I'm going to put them on this side. I see potential in everything. Not wanting to cooperate today. That we put one there. And another one here. Perfect. About this creepy bird. These eyeballs are perfect. You just stick them in where you have a gap and I got them at the Dollar Tree. Just about everything came from the Dollar Tree. Look at that. I have taken this and put it back together 2 or 3 times and it looks cute every time. This was a cute little thing from the Dollar Tree. I think it's motion detector.
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat.
All right, be sure and turn it off because if it comes on at night, it will totally scare you to death. Well, can't turn it off right now. How about a skeleton bird right here? I think I'm gonna get the pumpkin. Okay, folks, there you have it. There's your tree, all decorated. Except for my skeleton doesn't want to cooperate, but I'm going to leave him alone for right now. I think that I might stick, no, better leave things alone. All right, how do you like it? Comment below and let me know.